This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Mercedes-Gino. Fantastic large 2-bedroom 2 full bathrooms split floor plan unit with laminate floors, lots of closets, walk-in closets, pantry, impact windows, bay water views and lots of light coming in. Condominimum offers 2 beautiful pools overlooking the bay, barbecue area, state-of-the-art gym, valet parking service for visitors, convenience store located at the lobby, and on-site management. Excellent location, walking distance to restaurants, sport bars, shops, marinas, public elementary school, and 10 minutes to the gorgeous world-famous Miami Beach white sands and easy access to I-95. For more information, review the details below or contact Mercedes-Gino at 305-774-5889.